Hey, hello everyone and welcome back. Today we're going to do a quick little basic maintenance video on the WEN 3410. I've had this guy here in the shop a couple of years now. It really does a very good job of keeping the dust down here in my little workshop. I really like it. Very happy with it. Today we're going to do just kind of a quickie. Going to replace all of the filters. So from our friends over there at Amazon, you can get the 2-pack of the primary filter here. It's a 5 micron jobby. And if you've watched my other video, you know that I've got this pre-filter that I added. So to get that primary filter out, you got those two little guys. And I've got these extra brackets on. I just got those epoxied so I can just spin the nuts. You take that guy out. Usually this goes very easily. So I've been changing these about every 6 months. I had planned on just changing the pre-filter and this primary outer filter. As you can see, these guys do catch a lot of stuff. Of course, if you throw it on the floor, then you get a little poof that you don't really want. And then on these, you have your inner 1 micron jobby. I have had, now this guy I've been using for 2 years, and it looks a little tough, not terrible, but you know, they cost about $11. So, why not? So as you can see, we did some cleanup after we took the filters out. Amazon was out of the WEN inner filter, so I bought an equivalent from POWERTEC, about 11 bucks, pretty nice. This one came with foam all the way around, which made for a poor fit. WEN constructed the machine with a foam seal on the inner flange that these set on. So I took off 3 sides, try and get this to fit a little bit better. There we go. And that does fit in there much better. So that's how you put that guy in. Remember, it's handy to put the date on the filter. You'll know the length of time you've had it in there. I believe I said it already, but I like to go about 6 months with these guys. There's our outer filter. Bring my brackets onto the front here. I usually buy an inexpensive pre-filter in the Midwest here. We have a home center called Menards. This time I went with a Nordic pure filter from Amazon. I think this is the MERV rating is, I believe, 12 on this guy instead of, I think the home center brand was 4. We'll see if there's any effect on efficiency or how well this guy works set up like this. Don't forget those guys. Well, all done. That's all there is to it. Cleaned up, refreshed, new filters, good for another 6 months. I really like this machine. I highly recommend it. I think the price now on Amazon is about $146, so it's very reasonable. I like it. I'm very happy with it. Thank you for taking the time to watch this quick little video. If you've got one of these, remember to keep clean filters in it, keep the machine clean. I've had 3 years? I've had it a while. It's nice. Thank you for watching. We'll see you next time. Like and follow.